Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Tillman for math, where we're going to learn how to count. Also, we're going to learn our numbers. So let's start with a warm-up. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to flash the cards at you and you're going to tell me how many dots there are. I hope you're seeing you're getting a little faster. Here we go. 5. 5. 1. 4. 2. 1. 5. 5. 1. 2. 4. 3. 4. 3. 2. 3. 1. 4. 3. All right, good job. Now it's time to review the numbers that we've already learned. Number is this. That's right, it's a 1. Here's our poem. Just straight down, then you're done. That's how we write the 1. Just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write the 1. Just straight down, then you're done. That's how we write the 1. Comes after 1. Right? 2. Around and back on the railroad track. That's how we write a 2, 2, 2. Around and back on the railroad track. That's how we write a 2, 2, 2. Around and back on the railroad track. That's how we write a 2, 2, 2. All right, what comes after 2? 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Okay, boys and girls, for this next activity, you're going to need your numbers 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to play a little game. So what is going to happen is I am going to lay a set down. And you are going to find the number card. And you're going to show me the number card. All right, are you ready? How many pencils are on the screen? 1. That's right. How many pens are on the screen? The number card. You found the 2. You are correct. Okay. Next set. How many markers are on the screen? Find that number. You found a 3. You are correct. How many dry erase markers are on the screen? If you found it 2, you are right. Okay, how many erasers are on the screen. If you found a 1, you are correct. Okay, boys and girls, so in your math folder, you're going to get out this paper here, lesson 1-3. There was 2 1-3s. We did the other one yesterday. And it says, I can identify and build the number 3. So what you're going to do first is you are going to draw 3 dots on the 10 frame. So you're going to start, of course, in this first box here. Draw 1 circle, 2 circles, 1 circle, 3 circles. Just going to outline this because I don't like, you can't see that one. Okay, so here you're going to draw 3 dots. You can put them anywhere, like before. So I think I'm going to do 1 here and 2 here. So that's 1, 2, 3 all together. There's 3 dots on this domino here. You have to make sure both sides are equal to 3. Not any more, not any less. All right, I'm going to color in the bike just for fun. There's only 1 bike, and I know it says I can identify and build the number 3. So I know I'm not going to use this, but I like coloring, so I'm going to color in this anyway. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can if you do. It's up to you. The choice is yours. All right, and then the bunnies. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm going to keep them white because I like white bunnies, but I'm going to do the little ears pink. Well, I have red, but I'm just trying to do it very lightly. And I'm going to color in its little nose. So that's step 1. When you are finished with that, then you're going to get your scissors. Now remember with scissors, you don't want any funky chickens, you want them in. You don't want any bent wrist. You want your wrist straight. Okay, see how my wrist is straight? I'm going to pick up the paper, and the hand that doesn't have the scissors, that's what I'm going to use. And remember, I don't like the shut and open. I kind of go like this with it because it's easier on my hands. And I like to just kind of go through all the blocks. And boys and girls, you should be waiting till the end of this activity, end of this video to do this, just so you can stay focused on what you're doing. Okay, now notice I am not bending my wrist, and I am cutting everything out. First, I'm going to turn the paper. Hold the paper firmly with this hand. Make sure the paper is nice with this hand here. Okay, I'm going to turn it. And don't worry, boys and girls, this takes practice. So if you don't have it perfectly in the beginning, it's all right. I always like to do 1 piece of trash. I always find it easier to throw away. So this is what it should look like after you're done step 3. Okay, so then let me get my storybook. Now, this is what we did before. It was the orange one. If you turn behind it, it should have a yellow dot. And that's where we are going to glue this on the paper with the yellow dot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut out our learning goal for the day, and that is I can identify and build the number 3. I'm going to place it there. I'm not going to glue it yet. I'm going to finish my scissors cutting out first. Okay, then I'm going to put my 10 frame here, and then my dominoes next. And last but not least, I'm going to cut, now I'm going to put the set of 3 bunnies onto here, and I'm not going to glue the bike down. I can do something fun with that later. Okay, I'm going to get the glue stick. Make sure you put your cap in a spot where you're like, oh yeah, there's my cap. And you know what? It's best to have it like this, because if it's like this, it rolls and it can roll off the table. So it's best to keep your glue like that. Now, when you're using glue, boys and girls, make sure you don't have it really high up. It breaks the glue, and then you only have two. So just make sure it's only a little bit. And remember, we glue behind the paper, the paper we're putting down. Don't glue on here, or it's going to stick to the other side. Okay. And boys and girls, you can listen to this first all the way through, and then you can watch it over again and pause and see how you do it. It's not very even. Okay, and there's my 1, 2, 3 bunnies. Now, when you do this, make sure you roll it back down. Put your glue stick on. And make sure, boys and girls, you put your materials away. As soon as this is over, Mrs. Tillman's going to put her materials back where they belong, so I'll have them for the future lessons. All right, boys and girls, great job. I'll see you soon.